If your designs feel too polished, too perfect, or honestly, a bit soulless, this 2026 Canva trend is for you. Is Notes App Chic. Inspired by scrapbook layouts, the Notes apps, and behind-the-scenes visuals. And this trend didn't come out of nowhere. With the rise of AI, content is being created faster than ever, but it's also starting to look the same. What people are really craving now isn't more content. It's human-to-human connection. Notes App Chic works because it signals something important. There's a real person behind this brand. In 2026, the brands that stand out won't be the most polished, they'll be the most human. AI isn't replacing creativity, it's pushing us to be more human with it. And the data backs this up. Canva's third annual Design Trends report, which looks at millions of users and billions of designs, predicts this shift clearly. Searches for DIY and collage-inspired elements are up 90%. And 80% of creators say 2026 is the year they're taking back creative control, using AI as a partner, but prioritizing styles that feel real and human. For small business owners, this trend is powerful. Human designs feel relatable. We've created 3 free templates in Canva. Watch. First is a template for handmade goods business. Think candles, ceramics. Instead of perfectly styled product photos, try a behind-the-scenes look. Your workspace, your hands at work, or tools in use. Add handwritten fonts, sticky notes, or text overlays. This style tells the story. This product was made by a real person with care. It's perfect for small business owners who want to show craftsmanship, authenticity, and personality instead of polished perfection. Next is a template for coaches or service-based businesses. This style works wonderfully for quotes, tips, launches, or educational posts. Treat it like a personal note, not a marketing graphic. It builds trust and connection, showing your audience that there's a real, experienced person behind the advice, which makes them more likely to engage or buy. It's ideal for coaches or service providers who want their posts to feel thoughtful, human, and approachable. Finally, a template for emerging solopreneurs, side hustlers, or new business owners. If you're just starting out, it's easy to overthink Canva or over-design everything. This style helps you focus on what matters most. Use simple collage layouts, real photos or short video clips, and minimal text elements. Include any customer feedback, small wins, or testimonials. No need for perfection. The goal is to create professional-looking content quickly while staying authentic and personal. You're saving time, building confidence, and creating content that actually connects with your audience. That's it! We've created free Canva Notes app chic templates you can use straight away. Works for product-based businesses, coaches, and emerging solopreneurs. You can download these from the link in the comments. If you want more Canva and AI trends explained for small business owners, subscribe today. And let us know in the comments, do you prefer polished designs or imperfect human ones?